Hi friends. Today we're going to be talking about those teen numbers again, but today we're going to be talking about number words and adding those into our expanded form and numerical form. So normally we just write in digits, but sometimes if we're actually writing, we need to know the words and how to read the words. So here are all of our number words. We're going to count, and I want you to pay specific attention to the actual number words because we're going to use this in an activity later. So make sure you know these. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do you see how every number has its own word that corresponds with it? Good. Look at 20. Do you see a difference? We go from teen numbers to just 120 there, no teen behind it. So make sure that when you're reading, that you're reading through the whole word and using those word attack strategies, because sometimes 12 and 20 might look fairly similar, or 8 and 18 look pretty similar too. Let's practice reading some of these in a sentence. Are you ready? I see 11 cats. I see 11 cats. Good. Now, that's the number 11 in word form, right? Let's set up the number 11. We're going to put it here in base 10 blocks. Ready? How many 10s are in the number 11? 1. So I would grab one stick, right? We'd put all of them on a bus. How many are in a stick? 10. Good. And how many 1s are in the number 11? Just 1, right? So this is the number 11 in base 10 blocks. So now let's put it into expanded form and 10s and 1s. Ready? How many 10s are in the number 11? 1 10. And how many 1s? 1 1. So when I take this to expanded form, remember when we write it in 10s and 1s in place value form, we only write how many of each we have. In expanded form, we write how many are actually there. So how many are actually in this 10? There's 10 1s there, right? So there's 10 in the 10s place. And how many are in the 1s place? 1. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Good. Now, we're going to set this back up for this sentence. I have 8 cups. 8 cups. So our number is 8. Let's go ahead and set it up with our base 10 blocks. Are there any 10s in the word 8? No, we're just going to have 1s today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I'm going to set these up just like I would on a 10 frame and make sure that I have enough. Let's see. So I have 5 in the first row and 3 in the second. Did I make 8? Yeah. So how many 10s are there? 0. 0 10s. So we're going to write that there. How many 1s are there? Good. When I write this in expanded form, how many 10s are there? 0. And how many 1s? 8. So what does that equal? 8. Good job. So this same word, 8, is made like that. All these different ways. So we've got base 10. You can also make these on your Reckon Rec, right? You could make this in a lot of different ways on your Reckon Rec. Okay, now I have 16 caps. Read that with me. I have 16 caps. Let's set what 16 would look like. Ready? All right, oh, wait, we got to take away our 8. Okay. So 16 in numbers looks like this, a 1 and a 6. Now, if I'm going to set up 16 in my base 10 blocks, what do I need first? I need my 10s. How many 10s are there? 1. Move 1 10 and 6 ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to set them up like they're on a 10 frame so that I can check for sure. 5 and 1. Is that 6? Yeah. So let's fill in our place value. There's 1 10 and 6 ones. And what about in expanded form? How in the world would I write this? You're right. 10 and 6 equals 16. Good job. Do you see how number words are the same as building with our base 10 blocks or even on our Reckon Recs? It's just the way that we read the word in actual words and not digits. So now I've got some pixel art for you. When you go in and type the correct number, see if I can pull it up for you. When you type in the correct number in the box, it's going to turn white or red, depending on if you got it right. Okay, so now you have to go through, read the word, and write the number here by clicking in the box and filling it in. And as you do, a picture is going to appear right here. If you haven't already done this, it's pretty fun. You also have a page in Seesaw to complete, and you're going to be matching your numbers to base 10 blocks and 10 frames. So make sure you do this one and the worksheet in Seesaw. All right, guys, I'll see you later.